Welcome to another episode of the Mostly Mike Show. I hate to spoil this movie, but I'm going to show you a product that has completely exceeded the expectations that I had when buying said product. I won't keep you on the edge of your seat any longer, unless of course that's where you like to sit. And this product would be the Yoctop Smart Remote for GoPro action cameras 8 through 10 and max. Now I must say, with a name like Yoctop, it's gotta be pretty good, right? I'll include this in my Amazon store, which by going through this link for any purchase keeps this channel ticking with small commissions that I earn. I unboxed this unit while out camping. So what's in the box? We have a remote control, a Velcro wrist strap, a USB charging cable, and a bilingual user guide. We'll be connecting this to a GoPro Hero 10 Black, but connecting to other models should be about the same. The Yoctop arrived 27% charged. Charging ports on the base, you have this nifty magnetic charger. You just get it close by and it locks itself right in. Pretty cool. To pair this gem to your GoPro... Okay, so on the remote, to get it started in the pairing process, you're gonna hit the mode button, hold it in for a couple seconds, you'll see it'll boot up. So then we're gonna hold the settings button, which is that wrench, we're gonna hold it in for 3 seconds, and you can see that pair is highlighted on the menu. If you hit the wrench, it'll go down through the menu. If you hit the star, it'll go back up, and then to pair it, you hit this button with the red circle on it. And there it's going through the pairing process. So now we're ready to start the GoPro and pair it up. So what we're going to do is go into our settings, connections, wireless connections, make sure it's turned on, click connect device, and we're going to click the remote. And it's that simple. Connection successful. So now when I go to hit the shutter button, the GoPro starts recording. So the strap just goes in like this, so you can put it around your wrist, your handlebars, or whatever. There's also a lanyard hole in the bottom. With the Yoctop, you have the ability to control up to 6 cameras, which I have yet to try, perhaps in another video upon request. You can turn the camera on, switch modes, even set up a shortcut for your favorite mode. I hit the power on with the camera shut off, hold it for 2 seconds, you see your smart remote comes on, and a couple seconds later the unit comes on. To switch modes, you press the start button, or the on button. You press the on button to switch modes, and you go to photo, and it's actually reading back, and you get to the mode you want. So we're in our regular mode, and then if you hold the star button down for 3 seconds, it'll save that mode as a favorite. So if you switch out to something different and then you decide that, hey, I want to take a picture of something, you could have this set accordingly, and you could switch modes just by hitting that star button. The Yoctop claims to have a range of 80 meters. We're going to test that. Well, sort of. So I'm out in the woods. Instead of measuring, I'm going to set up a GoPro and ride my bike to different locations and see if we can maintain control of the camera. Good. This thing's freaking awesome. Okay, one more try. I'm gonna go a little bit further out even yet, if I can still see the camera. All in all, I'm very impressed with the performance of the Yoctop and would recommend it to anyone who uses GoPros for their video footage. If you have any questions or comments, or have a good Yoctop pun that you would like to share, please put it in the comments below. Please click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed, and consider subscribing if you're new here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.